flood that struck southern Iran on January 2, 2025, particularly in the Old Hormuz area, caused significant destruction. The disaster claimed 19 lives and more than 100 people were injured. The flood destroyed around 200 buildings, damaged roads, and inundated large agricultural lands. Damaged roads have made it difficult for rescue services to reach the affected areas. Local authorities are working on evacuating residents and dealing with the aftermath of the disaster, but the scale of destruction is vast, and recovery will take a long time. This event serves as another reminder of the region's vulnerability to natural disasters. The frequency and intensity of floods are increasing due to climate change, and coastal areas need improved disaster warning systems and infrastructure development for better water resource management. The ongoing battle with the consequences of natural disasters challenges local communities and the Iranian government to rethink their approaches to infrastructure development in order to reduce risks and strengthen the region's resilience to future challenges.
Thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My team and I work hard for you, analyzing all weather-related events so you are always up to date with the latest news.